names, I'm called Alomiga Joseph, the brain behind Pick and Play Electronics Center. We are basically located in Ochia Trading Center, opposite Desired Restaurant, where we offer numerous services like a phone repair. We sell phone accessories, and we also train youths on hands-on skill. The problem that we have identified as a pick and play is that there's really a long downtime for communication, which has really affected the community in such a way that most of the phones or the gadgets that they are using, they got spoiled, and getting a solution becomes a problem. That's why we came in. Secondly, there's also a problem of financial strain from replacing the gadgets. Most people think that when a phone got spoiled, there's no need of just repairing. It's just a matter of replacing with another one. So we as the technicians, we have a right to tell them that when a phone got spoiled, there is a solution for it. And then most youth normally face loss of productivity, like when their phones got broken, because it stops them from accessing like services, especially when the phone goes off. Like if the screen may broke, it will be very difficult for them to communicate in order to make services easy. Lastly, in the problems, we have increased electronic waste. Why we came in is because we have seen that really the e-waste, the electronic waste, is becoming too much. Reason being is that people think spoiled things cannot be brought back to life. That's why they tend to just abandon, like if a phone got spoiled, they will just throw it away. So we as a Pick and Play Repair Center, we offer the following solutions. One is that affordable on-site phone repair. We tailor our prices according to the market demand, which is locally in the community, meaning that we put our prices according to the financial ability of the people that we are living in. And then secondly, we also offer home-to-home repair, whereby with our team of technicians, we travel with our systems in order to offer services for people who cannot reach our centers, more especially the vulnerable, those people who are elders. For them, they cannot reach, so we offer this in order to make sure that they also access our services. Next is that we also have a training and a mentorship that we are giving to youths in such a way that they will become trainers like us, so that we can make use of the e-waste not to develop very high in our communities.